Hey everybody, this is a super informative video. The facts from beginning to end are super important to know about Shib Inu. I hope you stay tuned for the whole video, or you can use the timestamps I've made so you can forward along and find the points you really want to know about. Shib's decline. Shib has been going through a hard patch for the last several months. In October, it reached a high of $0.000087. Shib is currently trading at 31.35 ten-thousandths of a cent, down from 87 ten-thousandths of a cent before. Essentially, this indicates that it has fallen by 64% in less than 2 months' time. A considerable quantity of tax-related selling occurred towards the end of the year, which is likely to have contributed to the increase. Many individuals may have been hoping to take advantage of tax losses before the end of the year, which may have contributed to a large portion of the selling. The steep decline in Shib Inu prices is almost certainly related to year-end selling for tax considerations, according to most experts. Once the new year gets underway, the negative pressure from tax-related selling should subside, which might result in a significant increase in the value of the coin. But, Shiba hasn't been around long enough to be able to gauge if this is actually true or not. For example, the Shib exchange rate was much lower a year ago than it is now. At the time, there was basically no trade going on. In reality, everyone who purchased a Shib Inu before to October 21st has made a profit. Everyone who purchased after October 21st and has held on to their investment today has a loss. A significant number of these people are now selling the coin. However, we can go back in time to the end of last year and see how Bitcoin and Ethereum performed in a similar manner. For example, Bitcoin reached a high of $19,625 on November 30, 2020, and then fell to a low of $18,264 on December 10, 2020, according to CoinMarketCap. Following that, the Bitcoin to US dollar exchange rate took off and kept soaring till January 7, after which it began to consolidate. However, it is more probable that the year-end selling that occurred in December of last year was motivated by profit-taking than loss harvesting. This is what I believe is going on with Shib Inu at the moment. That should be anticipated, considering that Shib Inu has a market capitalization of $17.25 billion, compared to larger cap cryptocurrencies. In other words, since the smaller the digital currency is, the greater the volatility, and hence the bigger the decline, this greater decrease is not unusual. Of course, there is an advantage to this as well. Over the next year, investors in Shib Inu should expect to earn a much better return on their investment than those who invest in larger capitalization projects. For 2022, the main purpose is to gain as much capital from investing in this coin as possible. So I believe getting in now and investing a little over $100,000, and when the coin doubles the value within the next year, there can easily be a profit of over $318 a day, simply from investing in this massively hyped coin. Shib Inu's burn. According to social media posts made by the owner of Bigger Entertainment, Shib's burn rate is set to more than quadruple over the next 2 months. They went on to say that the team is just getting started, and that they are already investigating new methods of destroying Shib Inu. According to the most recent statistics provided by Etherscan, Bigger Entertainment recently burned 7 million Shib tokens. Coin burning is a frequent method used to increase the value of an asset. Despite this, and despite the fact that the community burned 2 billion Shib in November. After the burn, Shib Inu set to break out. The price of Shib Inu is poised to break out of its slump. We've seen bulls defending Shib Inu's price around $0.000032 for a while now, and we predict an infusion of purchase orders and volume in the near future if the market continues to be active. Shib Inu would most likely challenge the level of $0.000044, which corresponds to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. At this point, we anticipate some profit-taking by Shib Inu investors who came late to the game and joined the party in the middle of the surge. It should also be noted that the 55-day simple moving average, which is now at $0.0047, will be a critical support and resistance level, below which Shib may see a brief price decline. Shib Inu's price is anticipated to rise as more bulls join the party, which might result in sufficient liquidity and activity to propel the asset's price higher, perhaps towards the 50% Fibonacci level of $0.000569. Also a look at if Shib doesn't break out. Consider the possibility that the central bank divergence readings presented on Wednesday and Thursday would be negative. As a consequence, we may see a reduction in profit opportunities for Shib traders, as the coin could tumble towards its 78.6% Fibonacci level of $0.000278 as a result of the situation described above. If Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies take a battering in this scenario, SHIB might fall even further, going towards its 200-day simple moving average, around $0.00002, which could be an excellent opportunity for SHIB investors to purchase more tokens. Overall, the odds of SHIB gaining in price over the next couple of days outweigh the possibilities of SHIB declining in price over the same time period. However, the price of Shiba Inu is inversely proportional to the value of Bitcoin. If the central bank's choices next week have an influence on this, we will see it reflected practically immediately in the trading price of SHIB. Catalysts to watch out for. In the United States, there is heightened selling pressure on a variety of more speculative meme tokens right now. The value of Shiba Inu has fallen by 4.4% in 24 hours. A series of events seems to be at the root of today's decrease. A recent rejection of President Joe Biden's Build Back Better proposal by Senator Joe Manchin has driven risk assets down today. Stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities all took a beating as a result of the news. Investors are on the verge of panic as concerns over Omicron continue to mount. A rising number of investors are unclear if inflation, as well as the monetary tightening that seems to be taking place at the Federal Reserve, will prove to be bullish or negative for risk assets in the future. Shiba Inu has over 1 million holders and whales control 9% of the supply. And there's a big competition in the crypto world, which project to invest in to make the most money in 2022. And if you are looking to gain rapid growth in your portfolio, the one to look at is SHIB. SHIB has the most action on the Ethereum platform, including being the most used coin. The massive secret document leaked about Shiba Inu, more burn. What Shiba Inu is preparing is to become $1 trillion asset. Shiba Inu is planning on turning its focus onto blockchain gaming, which is expected to reduce the amount of tokens in circulation. The founder, Satoshi, announced that this will be the game changer for this coin. This development has been termed the future of gaming by Shiba Inu, and is poised to be the game changer in the industry. The gaming industry is not new, but SHIB's founders plan to bring on AAA gaming developers and many higher-ups, including those from Activision. The plan is to bring on a competitor-worthy team and beat all of the other gaming crypto on the Metaverse. The first versions of these games, called Shiboshi Game, will be built by the group of gaming developers and will be available for mobile. It will be used on Shibarium and it is in progress, and it is going to greatly decrease the fees for services, games or products. The funds generated by the games in-app purchases will impact Shiba Inu's value. SHIB's main drive is that it is excited by the idea of being a virtual reality world. And they are pioneering towards building their own virtual world, termed Shiverse, their version of a metaverse. SHIB is building its foundation right now, to be able to release these major technologies in the very near future. The new Shiba universe will be unrivaled by absolutely any token, coin or project. In response to the burn, Shiba Inu investors expressed their excitement on social media, like Twitter and Telegram. The investors want to focus on the SHIB army, and claim it is super important to do that simultaneously to the foundation being built and simultaneously to the massive technological advancements SHIB's obviously obsessed with completing. The most important thing about this reveal is that the community of Shiba Inu is hyping up the need to burn more tokens in order to sustain all of this movement, so the price of SHIB will increase. Burning removes the coins from circulation and keeps inflation down. It has been announced by SHIB that NFTs will help with burning SHIB coins, and Satoshi confirmed this on Discord community. SHIB is not planning on burning the coin to get it to 1 cent price. That would leave about 18% of the supply. There are other strategic moves in the works to get the price to 1 cent. Shiba Inu has to have massive efforts at all times at all areas of this project, including a team of strategists to be working and acting on things to help make the project more valuable and a better real-world value. Shiba Inu will have to get to a $700 billion market cap to get to 1 cent. Along with it, the plans are to do a major burn to get it to 10 cents. This is part of the big secret document that has recently been found. That's all on our end. Make sure and smash the subscribe button and comment that you've subscribed, and I will reply back.